Today, the Honorable Prime Minister had the video conference with the Honorable Chief Ministers of all the states. Right, starting from the Chief Minister from Meghalaya up to the level of the Chief Minister Haryana. 9 state Chief Ministers spoke today. Today I was given an opportunity to speak in the meeting. Initially, the Health Ministry made a presentation, and thereafter the Prime Minister made an initial remark. The presentation that has been made by the Health Ministry was the comparative figure. In the comparative figure, they were telling that taking the top 20 countries of the world with 135 crore population, the coronavirus is 100%. India with the same population of 135 crores is only 1%. They gave the comparative figure. And thereafter they said that when compared to the worldwide death rate, India is only 786. And while making an initial remark, Prime Minister said the steps that has been taken by the government to contain coronavirus and easing of the conditions by the government, allowing agriculture operation, construction work partially, fishing operation, and the opening of the industries, putting certain conditions, including social distancing, wearing the mask, keeping the employees within the vicinity of the premises, all these things is mentioned. Thereafter he said that the further condition that has been eased was opening up the shops in the neighborhood areas, in the rural areas and also in the urban limit. And then he said that we wanted to have the views of the Honorable Chief Ministers. After lockdown period is ending on May 3rd, then what should be the strategy the states have to adopt? Most of the Chief Ministers were unanimous in telling that the way in which the number of the corona affected persons increasing in the country, that should be a cautious approach, and the Prime Minister has to take a call on the basis of the observation given by the Chief Ministers. Most of the BJP ruled Chief Ministers said lockdown to continue, and they said the economic activity should be slowly started. While speaking, I mentioned to Honorable Prime Minister very clearly that in our state there are only 3 persons who are corona affected. In the 4 regions of Puducherry, Karaikal, Mahe and Yanam, only in Puducherry there are 3 people who are getting treatment, and though myself and some of the Chief Ministers demanded economic package, the Honorable Prime Minister did not respond to that directly. He was talking about the corona virus issue, how to control this, and he also praised the state governments for doing the Herculean task in controlling the coronavirus effect. But as far as the economic package is concerned, Prime Minister did not specifically respond.
So what about the lockdown?
As far as lockdown is concerned, as I told you, majority of the Chief Ministers wanted the lockdown to continue. Some Chief Ministers said with little more the economic activity, it should be there. As far as I am concerned, I said that the decision can be taken by the Government of India.
about migrants re-employment, anything discussed in the meeting? Re-employment in the native states?
No. The issue that was discussed in the meeting was relating to the taking back the migrant labor. The migrant labor would like to go to their states. The arrangement has to be made by the Government of India. That was my request in my remark while I was speaking, I made. And it was elaborated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar. He said that he quoted the quota issue and also the people from Bihar who have been working in various states, they want to come back. The Government of India should take a call on that and they should decide it, because otherwise the migrant labor, the keeping them in the various states and who are not getting employment, and they will be facing huge problem. That is what the Nitish Kumar ji also endorsed my view. But as far as the migrant labor is concerned, the Honorable Prime Minister made a passing remark, and he said that the migrant labor issue has to be considered, and thereafter he did not give any solution so far.
Sorry, go ahead. I just wanted to know, Mr. Narayan Swamy, on the issue of lockdown, did the Prime Minister talk about anything specific regarding public transportation? Did he say the economy was good, the states have to reform? And did you reflect, we are witnessing a series of troubles between the governor of West Bengal, we have seen lieutenant governors earlier. It's quite pathetic in terms of when you're fighting COVID, we're seeing politics taking place. Were you able to voice those concerns?
No, the Prime Minister, while answering, he made it very clear that this is not the time to do politics. The central government and the state governments have to work together to contain the spread of coronavirus in the country. That he made it very clear. And he also said that while addressing, the Prime Minister said that we have to go for certain reforms. That also he mentioned. The Prime Minister in his reply and also in his initial remark, he was more concentrating on how to contain the coronavirus, making the red zone into orange zone into green zone. That is what he made. And as you rightly said, as far as the Lieutenant Governor or governors are concerned, there was no reference made. I did not raise that issue also there.
Did any chief minister actually express a desire to open up? And two, did anyone have apprehensions about, law and order being an issue? As we saw some time back in Bandra, there was almost a rush of migrants trying to come back just a day before the that earlier lockdown was supposed to end. And by the time May 3rd happens, almost 40 days of lockdown would be over. So is that a concern at all among administrators and chief ministers?
Yeah, it is raised by our Nitish Kumar ji. He did not tell in so many words about the unrest. He was telling about the solution by the government. I also raised the same issue of the migrant labor. If they want to go to the respective states, the provision should be made by the Government of India for the purpose of sending them to the respective states. And ways and means have to be found out. And the government should bring a policy on that. That I insisted, and Nitish Kumar ji also spoke on that. And the kind of the unrest and all has not come. But we were showing that it is very difficult for the people, especially the chief ministers. We are getting calls from the people from abroad and also from other states who are standard, our people standard. They wanted to come back. As chief ministers and the state government, we are not in a position to do anything, and therefore the Government of India should intervene and do it. That's what we said. While lockdown has been continuing for a long time, this is going to be the 35th day. Therefore, the economic activities should start. That's what I said earlier. I repeated. I said that the economic activity should go on. All sections of the people who are idle, they should also get employment, right from agriculture labor, unorganized labor, construction workers, and all these people, they should get their employment, for which the activities should start. The keeping certain conditions. That is what I said. Sir, while speaking, I said we received about 4,000 kits from the ICMR, Health Ministry. As soon as it reached here, the instruction came from the Health Ministry that it should not be used. It is faulty. Then we did not use that, and we have been using our regular kits for the purpose of testing the patients. That is what we have been doing, and I mentioned this in my speech before the Honorable Prime Minister. But the Government of India, the demand which I made for the large number of testing kits for my state, then monitors, ventilators, the PPEs, and also N95 masks and all should be sent in large number to various states. The Prime Minister heard it.
And was there any talk about returning those faulty kits back to China?
No, that he did not respond.
I just want to know what was the conversation between Mamata Banerjee and Prime Minister of India in that meeting.
No, the माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ममता बनर्जी ने आज उन्होंने बात नहीं किया, भाषण नहीं दिया. प्रधानमंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री के बारे में अब कोई भाषण नहीं है. उसके बाद उसके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं हुआ उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, दोनों ने कुछ बात नहीं हुआ.
बात नहीं हुआ, उनका चांस नहीं था आज.
हाँ, सीमित लोगों को, मेरे ख्याल से 7 लोगों को बोलने के लिए कहा गया था सर. 7 मुख्यमंत्रियों को.
Nine chief ministers, starting from Meghalaya, myself, and up to the state of Haryana.